Hi everyone. This video shows the result of our search for an alternative to our old metal mesh frying pan screen. That mesh was very difficult to clean, and it allowed a lot of small grease splashes in the area around the pan. This screen we came up with cut splashes down to almost none. We tested it with a napkin, we found little grease and no water to drip back down into the pan. It also keeps the area around the pan much cleaner than the old screen did. Sometimes, with a short sauteing recipe, we don't notice any grease spots at all in the area. The screen is inexpensive, it's reusable, and it's much easier to wash than the mesh screen was. There are all types of recipes in terms of heat, length of cooking, and how greasy the food is. Our screen is very simple, but that's the beauty of it. It's done a fantastic job for us on any kind of recipe, and we think it will for you too. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit!